Hello, I'm Ruth Shilston. I'm an associate here at RWDI, and today I'm going to talk about why I think thermal comfort is important. So why is thermal comfort important? Well, we live in an increasingly urbanised world. We spend a lot of our time indoors, but as human beings we have a fundamental need to spend time outside. And this has become even more apparent during the COVID crisis, where the ability to spend time outside, often in public spaces, has become fundamental to our mental and our physical health. Thinking more commercially, as a developer, I'll build a building and I may well let out that ground level space to a restaurant or a cafe. And that business will in turn want outside seating spaces where people can sit for extended periods of time to enjoy a meal or a drink. And the quality of that seating area that we create, it needs to be comfortable to encourage people to want to spend time there, making that business successful. Thinking bigger again, as a developer I might build a series of buildings into a campus. I want to encourage commuters to walk through my development, through my streets, through my squares, stopping to get a coffee, stopping to interact with the businesses that are letting my spaces, making those businesses successful, which in turn makes my campus successful. Thinking even bigger again, London, where I live, is a world-class city, but London has to compete globally with all the other major cities to attract the best businesses, residents and tourists. And again, the quality of the public spaces, the streets, the squares, the parks, is all part of the offering that London is making. And it's for these reasons that I think that the quality of the spaces that we create in between buildings are as important as the buildings themselves.